Hi guys, so welcome back again. Oh, I am so excited that I'm going to do this video with you guys today. I have a few people request this video, so that's what I'm going to do. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So basically, I'm just going to show you guys how I install this wig onto my head. It's a closure wig, it's a curly wig. I have colored it a little bit, so yeah, so this is what we're going to do. It's pretty much an old wig, so yeah. It has what is it called? A headband at the back, elastic band. Ugh. Elastic band. So I'm just going to throw this wig on. Let me move back just a little bit. So then there's a little lace right here. I'm going to cut that off. Just a little bit of lace. You want to cut the lace close to the hairline as possible, right? So I'm going to make sure it's centered first of all, and I'm going to take a little bit of this beeswax that I always use, and I'm just going to, because I want it to lay more flat. And this is a freshly washed wig. You want to start with a freshly washed wig, guys. And I'm going to take my hot comb. How are you guys doing? How has your weekend been? Did you guys enjoy your Easter? Did you guys have a good time with your family? Be careful you don't burn yourself, because I almost burnt myself right there. Now that that's that, all right. Prior to you doing this, please make sure you wash your wig, and then make sure your wig is detangled. I didn't put anything in there yet. Alright guys, so now that that's that, I'm just going to take a little bit of this tint spray, and I'm just going to spray just a little bit right there. I made this tint spray myself. It's a concoction that I made. As you can see, I did not use a wig cap because my hair is very short, and I'm going to use makeup on the part, so there's no need for hair cap if I don't want to. So what I'm going to do right now, just so it can melt into the skin, like the lace right here, I'm just going to take a little bit of spritz. Instead of Got2b, I like to use spritz. Sometimes it helps in it melts more into the skin as well. Doesn't really give it a hold, but like it doesn't make it stick onto the skin like that as you would like. It will just a little bit, or it's not gonna hold like Got2b, but it helps in melting into the skin. So that's what I do with that. Now I am going to take my Creme of Nature coconut milk. This is for natural hair curl quenching foaming mousse. This is what it looks like. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to pump some of that And I'm going to put it where I hot combed my hair. I really like this mousse. It doesn't give it a very hard hold, like it's it gives it like a normal hold. I like it. So I'm going to take my spray bottle. It has some conditioner and also I think a little bit of oil and water. That's pretty much it. And I don't want the hair to be too drenched in water. No, I'm not gonna make it too wet. And this hair was black. I was the one that colored it. So if you'd like to see how I colored this hair, comment down below. I can color another wig like that for you guys to see. And of course it's curly hair, so you're going to get some shedding. And I have also colored the hair, so it's normal if I get some shedding. Even straight hair sheds, but you know, curly hair is known to shed more than straight hair. And I'm going to put that, really focusing on the end of the hair, and then putting the rest through the hair, because I don't want this hair to be extremely wet. So using the mousse will be easier. If you do a color process on the hair, it changes the texture of the hair. And I didn't want to change the texture of the hair too much. Didn't want to alter it too much. So that's why I did not make it too light. This color is just perfect for me. And I love how it complements my skin tone. As much as I want it to be natural, I don't want the top to be too flat as well. Now I'm going to take my brush and make sure everything is nice and smooth. I want it to be a little bit frizzy, but not too much. See that right there? Looking good, looking good. I like how it's looking so far. So I'm just going to do my makeup real quick, and then I'll be back to show you guys my full outfit. So guys, this is the finished look. Oh my god. I'm so happy how the hair came out. So you guys, I couldn't find my lash glue, so I decided to use Got to Be Glue gel, like the one in the black bottle, to use like a glue, and it works. Like, I don't think it's going to last long, but you know, it's just going to hold for a little bit, because I'm not really going anywhere. I just decided to do this video and look good for you guys, you know, because I love you guys. So now I'm just putting just a little bit of makeup into my part so it can look more natural, like scalp like. It's very, very important that you do this step if you want it to look natural. And I actually took the wig off whilst I was doing my makeup. I set it on the mannequin so that I will not keep touching it whilst it's drying, because I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you guys do that too, but I'm so bad. Like I keep touching the hair. Oh, I dropped something. I keep touching the hair whilst it's like drying, so that will make it more frizzy, and I do not want that. So yeah, this is the finished look. You can leave it like that, or you can just brush your hands through it just to, you know, loosen up the curls if it's like too hard for you. But I really like this hold on the curl. So yeah, this is the finished look. I have my glasses here. I am so ready for summer. Like, you guys, you have no idea. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Okay, let me stop. I am feeling myself too much. Yeah, so it only took me 10 minutes to do this makeup. If you would like a tutorial on this makeup, just let me know in the comment section down below, and your girl will give you that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, and as I always say, I'll be bringing you more and more videos. Thank you so much, my royal majesties, for watching me. Bye-bye.